now official. For weeks, Haitians in the United States have been warned TPS would be ending. And today, that decision became final with a stroke of a pen. CBS News Miami's Tanya Francois is live at the Haitian Cultural Arts Center with reaction. Tanya?
That's right, Lauren. When Judge Reyes signed that order and then posted it this afternoon, lawyers tell me it immediately became effective. That means Haitians who are here under TPS, they are now considered undocumented and they can be subject to immigration enforcement and removal. Now you're looking at file video from a rally held here last month. This now signing of the order affects Haitians who previously relied on TPS or came here under the CHNV, or commonly known as the Biden Humanitarian Parole Program. They are now considered without lawful status unless they have another pending or approved form of immigration relief. Haitians should know a pending asylum application does not automatically prevent detention or removal proceedings. Attorneys say these now former TPS holders are no longer authorized to work based on the TPS-based employment authorization documents, and some may even lose their driving privileges. Attorneys also advise Haitians, if they didn't have a plan before, they absolutely need one now.
This is a very, very sad day. Those with TPS, please do not panic, but get educated, understand your situation, understand your immigration options. Make sure that you have a plan in place for yourself, for your family, for your children, for your assets, and that you know how the next steps are going to go for you. Everyone has their own decisions to make with their families.
Now, the streets of Little Haiti and other populous Haitian communities here in South Florida have been noticeably empty, but tonight there is a back-to-school rally happening here at the Haitian Cultural Arts Center, so things are looking a little bit up. Also, the Haitian consulate, they are strongly urging Haitians to stop by and now especially get their Haitian passports renewed, because any documentations that they've had from here in the United States is now considered invalid. Live at the Cultural Arts Center, Tanya Francois, CBS News, Miami.
Okay, so this is a news clip from CBS Miami, basically reporting that the TPS has officially ended by the stroke of a judge's pen today. They were talking to the experts about what to do for TPS holders that are still there, as they are now officially undocumented. It's a very difficult place to be, because without documentation, you are subject to deportation. I know that there are people self-deporting. I don't know how many, but I've been hearing it. I know people are actually, making their plans for it. But I don't know, there maybe is like a naivete there, where you just naively trust politicians and stuff, because I guess you just thought it was going to have extension after extension, and some type of way there is going to be a path to citizenship. Programs like this foster a temporary place for other countries who are going through periods of calamity and natural disasters or whatever. And there's a shelf life. I hope you guys are taking the necessary steps so that you don't get, deported and a whole bunch of things are up in the air. I hope you are taking those steps and follow what the experts are saying, what they're suggesting that you guys do. But just for the record, Haiti has never been the focus of Black America. I don't think Black Americans ever focused on Haiti. But what we are focusing on is our immigration policies and how laxed they have been to allow lots of folks in where the resources are upside down here. As the people of this land, it's too much. So we're looking at that. And TPS is one of those things. Haiti is only in the conversation by proxy because you're one of the affected countries, right? I don't see Black Americans running around celebrating. I see a lot of, people critiquing our immigration policy, and I see a lot of, pushback coming from the other way around, bringing us into the conversation. But immigration as an American is a big conversation. This is happening all over the world, right? So I just wanted to talk a little bit about that and share this clip with you guys. I hope people take the advice and get their affairs in order. Take the deal. I think there's a deal on the table. I know it was earlier on the table to self-deport, and you get 2,700 USD taxpayer dollars and a plane ticket. Take that. And, I've seen how other countries deport you guys. It's not like this. You can't call this inhumane. You can't call this xenophobic, but you can call this immigration policy, right? The right to have our borders respected. You can't have infinite programs that have infinite extensions. I hope people took heed and did what they were supposed to do, and other groups too, where I imagine these TPS terminations will ensue. I hope you guys have a good evening.